Hi there everyone, it's Amanda here for Tonic Studios, and today I'm going to make a card that is really quick and easy. I called it a rainbow of die cuts, and the first thing I'm going to do is ink up a piece of ultra smooth white cardstock with these 3 colors of hybrid ink, and I'm going to make sure that the colors overlap, but you don't have to worry a lot about having a perfectly smooth transition between the colors, because we're not going to be using this panel as it is. We're going to use it for die cutting later. So now the panel is ready, so I'm going to die cut the word enjoy 5 times in total. I thought the background needed a bit more interest, so what I'm going to do is scoring lines all over the panel using my scoring tool. To give some dimension to the word dies, I decided to die cut it again 10 times. Then I stick it together by pairs, and then on top of them I will glue the color die cut. And now to finish up my card, I'm going to be using one of my favorite drops by Tonic Studios, which are the Jewel drops. And you're gonna see that I will be trying them on a piece of paper first. You might even think that I'm wasting too much of it, but that's because some of them have been sitting on my craft room for a while, and sometimes the first layer is a little bit drier, so it works better for me if I get rid of that and then continue working with it. But don't worry, because there is a lot in the bottle. So that's all from me today. I hope you liked it. Remember that all the supplies are listed below the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and also you can visit the blog for more inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!